Are you ready for what my nigs call Master of the Burp Round 2? Now, I didn't think you were ready. I didn't think you were. But I don't care if you're ready or not, because I'm here. And we're gonna mac this shit off, man. We're gonna do it sexy. We're gonna do it slow. I got a cold sore on my lip. Do you wanna lick it? Do you wanna lick my cold sore? Lick it. Yeah, that tastes so good. That tastes so good. I can do better than that. Oh, it tastes like noodles, man. These are shit today. Let me get my breath back. Gotta get my breath back. I dare you to dare me to say something. I'm gonna burp and spin. Oh God. I feel dizzy and sick. When I play Red Dead Redemption, I feel like a real cowboy. Nah, you can't see shit. Just hit it one more time!